Hello friends, here I am discussing about the multiple choice questions, that is MCQ the 2 on plant pathology and disease management. Myself Dr. Uddhav Bhale, Professor, Department of Botany, Art Science and Commerce College Nadu, Taluka Tuzapur District Osmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad. These multiple choice questions on plant pathology, microbiology and disease management are useful for the online examination of BSc third year semester 6 students as well as MSc Botany Plant Pathology specialized students of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad, and also helpful for the BSc and MSc Agricultural Plant Pathology students from this university as well as other university where the plant pathology specialized paper is introduced. Now let us see the first multiple choice question, that is, bacteria that inhabits extreme habitat are called. The first option is cyanobacteria, second archaeobacteria, third that both cyanobacteria and archaeobacteria, or A and B, and D option is none of the above. Now the correct answer is that is archaeobacteria. Now second question, who established a set of procedure to isolate and identify the causative agent of a particular microbial disease in late 90s? And their options are A. DiBari, B. Koch, C. Pasteur, D. SARS. And now the correct answer is that is Robert Koch. Third question is, a pathogen is either A. microbe that causes disease, B. parasite, then C. organism that removes nutrients and water from host, and D is all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Fourth question, use of single stain to color the bacteria is commonly called as. Their options are A. monochrome staining, B. that is gram staining, C. that is differential staining, and D. that is all of the above. And now the correct answer is the gram staining. Now question number 15, in gram staining, safranin is act as A. primary stain, B. moderate stain, C. counter stain, and D. decolorizer. And now the correct answer is counter stain. Question number 6 is, slide culture technique is used for A. bacterial isolation, then fungal cultivation, then virus cultivation, and D is all of the above. And especially that is the A. bacterial isolation is the correct answer. Question number 7, the process of killing or removal of organisms capable of causing infection is called as A. sterilization, B. sanitization, C. disinfection, D. antisepsis. And now correct answer is sterilization. 8, what is the biological control? Option number A is an IPM approach that uses other organisms to control pest population, B. a control option that eliminates both harmful and beneficial organisms, then C. a method for improving cell performance and growth, and D. a control method that prohibits a pest from reproducing. So this is D is the correct answer. Question number 9, in fermentation industry, pasteurization is done at dash temperature. A option 90.7 degrees Celsius, B option 100 degrees Celsius, C option 62.8 degrees Celsius, D option 80 degrees Celsius. And now correct answer is that is a 62.8 degrees Celsius. Question number 10, the main goal of quarantine is to A option, eliminate the initial inoculum. B is increase the resistance of the host. C is immunize native plants against foreign pathogens. And D is all of the above. And now the correct answer is immunize native plants against foreign pathogens. Question 11. What is the correct name for the microscope lens located in the eyepiece? A. Ocular, then B, that is binocular, C, objective, and D, condenser. Now correct answer is ocular. Question number 12. The microorganisms used in brewing industry is Aspergillus, B, yeast, then C, Rhizobium, and D, virus. And now the correct answer is yeast. Question 13. A chemical compound that prevents multiplication without killing the fungus. Option A, mycocidal, B, antibiotic, C, fungicide, and D, fungistatic. And the correct answer is fungistatic. Question number 14. Which acid is used as a resin in detergents in resin industry? That is, A is itaconic acid, B is citric acid, C, gibberellic acid, and D, lactic acid. And now the correct answer is itaconic acid. Question number 15. Dye chemical is used for glassware sterilization. A, sodium chloride, B, chromic acid, C, phenolphthalein, and D, none of the above. And the correct answer is chromic acid. Question number 16. What is the systemic fungicide is? That is a Captan, B, zinc phosphide, C, Vitavax, and D, Dexon. And the correct answer is Vitavax. Question number 17. Mycoparassitum is associated with dash. And option number A is Cercospora, B, Trichoderma, C, Septoria, D, Alternaria. And correct answer is Trichoderma. Question number 18. Which of the following is common gram-positive bacteria? A, Rhizobium of root nodules, B, Lactobacillus in curds, then Escherichia coli, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is Lactobacillus in curds. Question number 19. What is the main aim of plant clinic? Option A. The clinic provides fast and accurate plant disease diagnosis. B, identifying plant pathogens. C, to create durable plant health services. Toxin used to control some plant diseases. D, plant disease clinic is a service and in education function. And now the correct answer is to create durable plant health services. Toxin used to control some plant diseases. Question number 20. Gram staining was developed by A, French microbiologist Louis Pasteur, B, Dutch lens maker Leeuwenhoek, then C, Danish physician Christian Gram, and D, Dutch physician Christian Gram. And the correct answer is Danish physician Christian Gram. So this is all about the objective in this video. So please watch this video. If not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and share to others. You will get the further videos related to plant pathology, microbiology and disease management MCQs. Thank you.